He might do some walking. Peter! Oh, there. Now, can you let go of the cushion, Peter? Or not so much? Come here. Come here, Peter. Come here. There we go. See, he's walking. Yeah. Come here, Peter. Oh, look at that. Oh, never mind. That's more fun. Peter found his daddy. Let's see if he'll do some more walking. Peter! Peter, come here. Come talk to Marion. Come here.
Are you filming this?
Yes. Peter. Yeah, or you can just stand there and look cute. Yeah. There. Oh, come on. It's okay. Come here. There we go. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Blom.
So at some point you have to email me the address for your YouTube video.
I will do so. Okay, let's see if I can pick you up with one arm.
So that more of Peter's adoring the public.
Can you stand up again? There we go. Okay.
I think he wants to sit down, actually.
But I want him to stand up.
Yeah, tough.
Yeah. Okay, or you can sit down. Whoops. And then you can crawl around some more. So you seem to like that more than walking. Yeah, hello. I'm still here and I'm still filming you. And then my battery's about to die.